Hey everyone, welcome back. My 100 Things project, number 2, is the April Creative Journal. But this is January, February, no, this is February, March. January's in another one. So I've done flip through on most of it, and basically I just write down things that are happening each day and decorate the pages. But this is the little black and white composition books you can buy. And what I did was I took the pages out and then put them in Midori style and combined 2 composition books into one. I'm switching up for next month because this gets a little awkward to work with, and with us traveling as much as we do, it's hard for me to take with me. So, yeah, we had the boys camping with us for a while. Had a great time. This is my oldest grandson's classroom where he's learning, and you know, I just use their pictures as little tip-ins. Tampa Bucks won the Super Bowl. I'm not a Tampa Bucks fan, but you know, I do live in Tampa, so I did put them in here. And I planted a tree today. I did do that. So this was February the 7th. And we had storms for the Super Bowl, which I thought was kind of funny. And I just look for different books and things, and if I see something I like, I'll cut it out and I'll add it. And here it says Florida adds 7,486 cases, 145 deaths. And this was to COVID, and I just found out today my 11-year-old great-grandson in Virginia had COVID. And here was where a Tampa artist created an NFL gift, and I thought that was appropriate to put in here. And let's see, you know, just basically little things that happen along the way. This is my baby. This is my baby. And I just put on there, it's such a beautiful boy with a matching nature, and he's 2 years old. So I added that. And these are not actual pictures. I put them out on cardstock to put in here because the pictures are elsewhere. And February 9th was his 2nd birthday, so we had a party and all that good stuff. And here he is with Grandpa in their little matching outfits. I thought that was cute. And this is when we took him camping with us. And you know, you can just see I just write down different things that happens. And here's where I found out my last 2 biopsies were benign. And it was the end of my surgeries for the time being. And let's see. You know, I don't stick with any theme throughout it. Here's where a friend of ours, Edwin, passed away on Valentine's Day from COVID. And it was just heartbreaking. Just absolutely heartbreaking. And you know, I just put down different little things. If not much happened that day, I just say not much happened, and you know, do myself a little pep talk, like, you know, just keep going, and I can't wait to get back in nature and so forth. I put down some ideas for myself in here. I do declare, I believe I am fixing to have the vapors, Tommy. I just saw that in a book and loved it, so I put it in here. I had to go to the eye doctor. Got new glasses again. Paint party was fun. I put some little things that I colored and painted, and a little door here, and put a little message behind it as a reminder. And Nicholas and Anthony are spending the weekend at the RV with us. And you can see when I have them, I don't write much because I am busy. So here is the beginning of March. And March has been difficult for me to keep up with. It's been a busy, busy month. So I haven't done as much actual journaling as I have decorating. And here's where Judy Crispy and I went to Dick Blick Art Supply and had lunch together. So I added that in here. A piece of my bag. And back camping. This is where we took the boys over to E.G. Simmons Park to go to the beach, and I have pictures to print out to put in here, but I haven't printed them out yet. But they had their beach closed, so we had to leave there and go to another one. But the boys had a blast, and there's a lot here because we had so much fun with them camping. We had them all of spring break at the camper with us, and you know, it's just it is tiring, but at the same time it is very rewarding. And this is where I stopped was yesterday, so I have to catch up today because we drove home today. Pete's getting his COVID shot tonight, and I have my live tonight. We'll go back in the morning, so I will update it. But like I said, I'm not going to use this type of notebook. I have started on April's, and I'm using this because it has the wire. I'm going to try it for this month to see, and it's smaller, and we are going to be out in the RV this month, so I'm going to try this. I've started decorating it. This month will be a camping theme because we are going to be camping for the month, and I'm hoping that this will extend enough with the spine. If not, I'll come in the back and take out some pages because I'm sure there's more than a month's worth here. And I need to create a pocket to put here to put my numbers and stuff in. So this is project 2 of the 100 Things project. I am going to keep doing this throughout the month and do a walkthrough at the end of the month. So it's a two-parter, I guess you could say, to project 2. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.